it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be real cold, I'm telling you right now. Real cold. It's only 45. Oh, I don't have my audio camera. Got the recycling. Close that garage door. Whoop. I said whoop. This gonna be cold. This gonna be cold. This gonna be cold. Uh-oh. Well. Guess I'm not riding a motorcycle. What's up with that? I'm streaming live.
On your motorcycle?
I'm going to, yep.
Wait, no, it's live right now.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, is anybody on?
I don't know. Is it working? Is it working? There you go.
Wait,
you guys can watch me. Have a nice day.
You too, Dad.
What is it, delayed a little bit? Okay, so I don't know how this works. I'm sure it will be glitchy because it's just streaming off my cell phone. You'll have to see how it goes. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have picked stream in 1080. Guess we'll find out. There's only one way to find out. Either way, it's recording, so. Okay, so it's really humid out. You can see that, but that's actually from the ground sweating, apparently. It's not from rain. When it gets windy, you just go faster. You can't let the wind own you. You have to own the wind with your throttle. It is, what's really the craziest, we broke the temperature record before the sun rose this morning. Figure that out. Slid sideways a little bit there. Need to be careful. This is definitely some slick roads, so I'll be very curious to see if this live streaming works. Yeah, this wind combination and the slick road is not really great because now you got that side wind coming in that just wants to like push the bottom out of the bike, like it just wants to sweep it out, you know, sweep the feet out from underneath you. You also got to be careful when you're stopping. It's definitely time to be cautious. Why is my watch blowing up? Your live stream ended. What? It ended? Okay, well, we know it's still recording most likely. Yep, my red light's flashing, so I'm guessing that it lost signal. But we still have the watchers that will be watching later. No front brake today. We ain't doing that. So my live stream ended, huh? It ended at 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Did you know it ended? No, I did not know it ended. That's super lame. It might be my side, but you're a bit laggy. Okay, so it's not working so well, the live streaming. It is in my pocket, so I'm sure that's blocking some of the signal. We'll try again later. But we've still got an SD card. We're still recording 4K. So that wind's pretty strong. I'm going 60. Getting a little water vapor off the vehicles on my windshield. Wow, that was a gust. I'm going 70 though. I feel like I'm going like 120. I feel like my lighting in my dash is not going well. I feel like it's dimming. So I'm not sure if I've got great battery going on here. I've had troubles when it gets cold out. The battery can't start the bike. So I need a new battery. I've been keeping it on a battery tender. So it started just fine this morning, but I really hope it starts at lunch. Might have to go to the shop. Just thought I'd mention, I've seen no one else riding a motorcycle today. Did Mark ride? I don't think he did. Mark, you drove the van. Come on, Mark. Okay, well, live stream apparently failed, or according to my children it did. It's kind of sad, but we'll figure it out. We'll try again later. So much for 5G, eh? Rode the motorcycle because I'm crazy. I like to be crazy. I mean, YOLO, right? For those of you who don't know what that means, you only live once. Let's see what the app is saying. Did the phone lock in my pocket? Did it overheat? It just says reconnecting. 3 minutes and 27 seconds. You were live for 3 minutes and 27 seconds. We saved a high version on your SD card. Okay, well that was not impressive. Why? I don't know if it's the battery, the alternator, or the regulator.
They're not answering, huh?
Hi, this is Doug. Yeah, I've got a M109R that I'm having some battery or electrical issues. I'm just wondering. Is my live stream working? Can you see it on my Facebook page?
It just says.
Something went wrong. Okay, so now is there a link on my page? Is it right now? Yeah, it's you! Okay, well, we'll see what happens. Okay, I got it to run. At least it's dried up, that'll help. So we're going to the dealership. I've had enough of it. Had enough of it! It's the only other person that's ever ridden my bike besides previous owners. That was Jason. Remember, the key to not tipping over is acceleration. Oh, there's a cop back there. See him? Is he storm spotting? Well, this isn't bad right here. Storm's not supposed to officially be here till 4. Ooh, we get to see this giant... Oh, the flag, they've got it down. I bet because of the wind, they take it down. No flag today. Don't kill me, bro. My wife almost watched me die. She's right behind me, by the way. So I'm not gonna lower it because I want it to tip better. And I don't want them to have to deal. Hello. Good.
Dropping one off?
Yes.
Five minutes later.
Alright, get her handle, man. Thanks a lot, no problem.
Is the live stream still running? It is? Wow! And you could hear me when I was talking, like riding?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna stop it then. Huh. So it must just be, this is tethered to my phone, so it just keeps live streaming. That's amazing. Okay, bye.
Dude, did you see that guy almost hit you? I totally honked at him.
I saw it coming, way coming. I just was like, is he just pushing me out of the way? Is he coming over? What's he gonna do? So I honked. Did you honk too?
Yeah, I didn't hear you honk.
Oh yeah, I did too.
So I didn't know that you had heard him, so I was like honking at him. I didn't even realize you honked until I heard it in the live stream like a little bit later.